Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, for those of you who are new. For my returning, so nice to see you guys again. Thanks for coming back. Today we're gonna be talking about my favorite workout, at-home workout gear, my favorite leggings, sports bras, etc., as well as some workout essentials that I feel like are critical to get a good workout in, especially being at home. It can be difficult, so I want to share with you guys my tips and tricks to get you guys on your A game so that we can all glow up for quarantine and get ready for summer. Be sure to follow me on Instagram as well as subscribing down below to see more from me, and let's get into my workout essentials. Okay, so let's first talk about clothing. I'm gonna go over and share with you guys my favorite leggings and show you guys a try on after this, but my favorite legging brand is Zella. It is Z by Zella. Here's the tag. This is from Nordstrom, and I usually buy them on Nordstrom Rack for literally nothing, like $30. I have this really cute gray pair. I'm gonna show you guys the black pair that I'm wearing right now. They are super comfortable, and for the price, I'm impressed. They passed the squat test. Some of these I've had for like 4+ years. I've washed them in the treacherous New York wash and fold. I've washed them in really bad laundromats. I've air dried them and washed them at home, and they have withstood it all. And that is something to be said, because the New York wash and fold is a whole nother debate topic, but it ruins your clothes. So what I love about these, and these are the, I believe, the high-waisted daily legging. They are so soft. It says they're 12% spandex, which would make sense because they are so stretchy and flexible, and they're also really long. So for me, I have a 32-inch inseam, and it is hard to find leggings that are long enough. A lot of the brands that are, you know, on the more affordable side, so like Forever 21, H&M, even some on Amazon, are just not long enough for me. They're too short, and if it says a full-length legging, I want a full-length legging. So anyway, end rant there. The Zella leggings are super long. They go super high-waisted above my belly button. They are so comfortable, and I keep going back. Nordstrom Rack constantly has them on sale, so I always stock up, and you guys, they're amazing. They also have, you know, a full range at Nordstrom for full price, but if you know me, I like to get a good deal, so love these, and I swear by them. I recommend them on all my Facebook groups. I recommend them to all my friends, and I'm like, you guys, trust me when I say they're unlike anything else. They run true to size. I am a small in their leggings. I do have some extra smalls, and they still fit, but if anything, the waistband is a little bit snug, so something to keep in mind when you're ordering. But other than that, absolutely love Zella. All right, you guys, here are my Zella leggings. You guys can see they fit at a perfect ankle length for me, and I could obviously make them longer. I just pull them up. These ones have some grooves stitching on them, but I also have the absolutely plain and seamless. You can see how high the waistband comes up. There's my belly button, and like it comes up darn high, and they are so comfortable. I can get down in these, I can get up in these, and the back is just, it has the Zella logo, and they're so comfortable. I highly recommend. And then this is the Victoria's Secret sports bra that I was wearing. For tops, the top that I'm wearing today is from Victoria's Secret Sport. I wouldn't recommend it though, because it doesn't have any sort of padding or coverage and is actually kind of ripping at the seams, but I did buy a lot of Victoria's Secret Sport back in the day, and while I don't hate it, it's a little too fashion showy for me, but I thought it was good for the video. So some of the things I look for in sports bras is, one, I do like a long line sports bra. For some reason, wearing a full-on sports bra just seems a little bit showy for the gym. If it's like a workout class, I may feel a little bit more comfortable, but if I'm just going to the gym, doing the darn thing, it's a little much. So for me, I like either a long line crop top sports bra, or I'll just do a sports bra with a built-in tank. Like I said, I'm a small-chested gal, so I don't need a ton of heavy support when I'm at the gym or when I'm doing a workout, because I don't have a lot to hold up. So for me, these work incredibly well. For my larger chested gals, I'm sorry I don't have the best recommendations, but I'm a 32B, and if you're anywhere around that size, I highly recommend looking into these that I'm about to show you. So like I mentioned, the one I'm wearing is from Victoria's Secret. I personally wouldn't recommend it for anything more than like Pilates or a bar class. There's really no support. It's definitely more for show. And if I was going to a class, I'd probably throw a tank top over it just because there is a lot going on here. In terms of others, you're gonna laugh because if you guys are a tried and true subscriber, I did a Lululemon haul about like 4 years ago maybe, and yes, you guys, I'm still wearing their long line bras. This one is the white, it has like a sheer back. I have no idea what style name. I got this at the Lululemon outlet in Camarillo, California. I have a navy one, and I have a maroon one. And these actually came as built-in bras with tank tops over them, and I was like, those tank tops look ridiculous. They looked like the PE jerseys that you put on to be on different teams for basketball or volleyball. I was like, we're not wearing that. So instead I cut them off and I have these long line bras to work with. And over time, you know, the padding has gone missing, or the padding has just like gotten crazy, but these are padded, which is super, super great for me. I just feel a little strange wearing like a white sports bra with no padding in it. Seems a little suspect. They're super supportive. They're a high neck, and I'll share with you guys in the try on, but super comfy. I love where it hits on my body, and I think it's just enough without showing too much skin, and super, super comfortable, and you know, really durable. I mean, I've had them for forever. I personally do not shop at Lululemon. It is outrageously expensive for workout gear, and I can't get myself to do it, but I am happy that I've had these over time. I will say I also got some leggings in that haul, and the leggings just did not work out for me. I found that they weren't moisture wicking enough, so a lot of the times I would wear them and you would see like a huge sweat stain on my crotch or wherever after spin, and I'd be like, this is unbelievable, like we cannot do that. Love the tops, not just sure about the bottoms. Here is the Lululemon sports bras. I put on the maroon one for you guys. I'm sorry, the lighting is not the greatest at this angle, but it is definitely a true berry maroon color. I love how it's like a high scoop neck style, but it's still completely covered. I do feel very secure in this top as opposed to the Victoria's Secret top I just showed you guys. It is very snug, and I feel like it's not going anywhere. I like that it has this elasticized band because, as you can see, it hits a perfect point on my waist, probably the slimmest part of my waist, and making me look really narrow, which I'm all about, looking tight and snatched. And it's not too much skin, in my opinion, that I feel uncomfortable. The back is a racer back, so I like that as well. And it's just really comfortable. This one I do have the padding on, and I usually will have padding for all of these. I like having padding there if it's not a black sports bra. The last top I want to mention is a long line tank top. This is actually from Forever 21. I have a bunch of them. Now, they're not great quality. I'm not like over the moon about them, but they get the job done. So these are just a long line, and then it has a built-in bra underneath with padding. So love these again. They give me a lot of coverage. They are pretty snug, but in my opinion, they're great to feel comfortable at the gym without feeling like having your stomach out or like wearing something more flashy. So I love to wear these for those more like basic gym workouts. I haven't really put them on too much being at home, just because, you know, you have the fabric from the built-in bra, and then you have the fabric from the actual tank top itself, and it's a lot going on. I want to be comfortable, but I do love these for just daily workouts and feeling a little bit more, having a little bit more coverage going on. All right, this is the tank top, and you can see, oh, that is coming up, true color match. So this one is also a scoop neck, and it's got the built-in bra right here, and then it kind of cascades. It's very long. You can see this is where the high-waisted legging ends, and this tank goes all the way down here. So it's actually quite long. I do find that when you're working out, it will rise up as you move, so something to keep in mind, but it is snug and tight up here. I love the color, and I have this in this color, a pink, and then 3 in black because I just love the black. And like I mentioned, it's just a little bit more covered up for the gym, and it's very comfortable to wear. So I like wearing this if I'm just doing like a basic workout, or like for whatever reason I want to feel more covered. This is my go-to workout top, and it's from Forever 21. Super inexpensive and relatively good quality. I've had a lot of good luck. Some of the black ones I have, I've had for over 3 years, so highly recommend. The black ones I have are seamless. This one is ribbed though. Super cute. The last 2 items I want to talk about are the resistance bands that I bought, and these are from Amazon. It is a pack of 3 from Pro Fitness, and these are fabric bands. They come in a cute little bag, so I can put them all back. And then you've got 3 sizes, or 3 weights if you will. The most snug, this one's their medium, and then the lightweight. I believe this is 5 pounds, and then this is 10, and this is maybe 15 or 20. And these things mean business. Like, I did a Sammy Clark workout yesterday with this one. I was absolutely dying, so I had to switch to the lighter one. They will get your booty in shape. I love these, they don't slip at all. I will say the only downside is if you're doing like an ankle sort of thing, I just have really narrow ankles, and it's hard to use this lighter one for that. I have to use this one, and it's pretty darn snug, so it can be difficult when doing a workout like that. But I love them. They don't slip down. They've got a good grip. I don't find that they're like, there's anything wrong with them, honestly. And they've really upped my game in terms of like squats, donkey kicks, any sort of those workouts. They've really just elevated it, and I feel like, okay, yeah, I'm working out right now. The last thing is the yoga mat, and I got this off Amazon. I forget the brand, but I'll leave it below. I got it for $13. It is incredible quality. You can see here, like, it's a thick and durable material on both sides. Super like plush, but also very like thick and durable. It's in a peacock color, and I just thought it would be something nice and fun to have, just to kind of brighten up my mood when I have to work out. So love this. It's, you know, it's nothing out of this world, but it completely gets the job done. I'm so happy I have it. It makes anything so much easier, specifically any sort of floor exercises, and definitely planks. Planks are not easy, and this thing makes planks a lot more comfortable. So love this. If you don't already have a yoga mat, I got you. I would hope you do at this point, but if you don't, no worries. You can get this baby on Amazon. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of my at-home workout essentials / workout try-on situation. I'll be sure to leave links for everything down below so you guys can check them out. Be sure to subscribe, of course, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll talk to you guys all very, very soon. Bye.